This is the first taco stand in the world to ever receive a Michelin star, and it's located in Mexico City. Get to know El Califa de León.
We're here trying the Michelin tacos in Califa de Leon. I'm so excited to try it. Follow me, guys, on this adventure to one of the first taco stands to ever get a Michelin star. So let's go.
In May of 2024, this unassuming taco spot in the San Cosme neighborhood of Mexico City made history with its one-star Michelin award. Ever since, both locals and international food lovers have been flocking to taste these iconic tacos, with wait times reaching up to 3 hours. I decided to hold off until the initial excitement subsided to avoid the long lines, and finally, I was thrilled to try them for myself. What is the secret behind these tacos? Well, it's simple. Sprinkle some coarse salt and a squeeze of lime on the meat as it cooks, and it's a game changer.
And here are the tacos. We asked for each one of their tacos that they offer. So we got gaonera, which is filet, beef, which is bistec, chuleta, which is chop, and I'm missing one more. Oh, and costilla, which is rib. Now we're gonna pour the salsa there. We're waiting for the salsas, and we're almost ready to try.
What is my recommendation for these tacos? Add both of their salsas to these tacos. They complement each other perfectly and elevate the flavors, making for a delicious bite every time.
So now the moment of truth. It's time to try these tacos. Had a little bit of a hard time holding this taco, but okay, we made it.
They're 5 pesos.
Totally worth the wait. Excellent.
If you want to try all 4 tacos on the menu along with a soft drink, expect to spend around $17 per person for this experience, which is well worth it considering you're eating at a Michelin star taco stand. Just keep in mind that they only take cash and no credit cards are accepted. What makes Tacos El Califa de León stand out, aside from its Michelin recognition, is its humble roots. This taco stand has become a symbol of how Mexican street food can achieve culinary excellence without the need for fancy dining rooms or high-end ingredients. It's a testament to the artistry of Mexican street vendors and Mexican street food.
Now here it is, all the people waiting to get a taco. Right now we're very lucky because even if it rained very, very hard, it was actually pouring. There's not a lot of people. You might see here that it looks like it's crowded, but trust me, it's been sometimes that people have to wait 5 hours to get a taco here.
Be prepared to be patient. Even though the initial buzz has calmed down, locals and foodies from all over the world are still eager to taste these Michelin tacos. You might have to wait at least 1 hour to enjoy them, so please be patient and keep in mind that they only take cash.